In this week's video, we're looking at ESMA short disclosures. Now, in 2012, ESMA, which is the European market regulator, decided that market participants which were short more than 0.5% of a company's short shares would have to publicly disclose these short positions. Now, this is quite a momentous move, as again, the companies, investors that do go short above 0.5% of shares are on public record, at least having done so. So this does turn a lot of short sellers into essentially activist investors, and we've had a lot of people kind of comment to us on this level. Now, if we look at the 15 countries which are currently covered in our ESMA disclosure dataset, which we just recently released in our latest result, what we can see is there's currently 453 disclosed short positions across all of Europe. Now, this narrows down, there's about 250 companies that do see public, that are targeted by these public disclosed shorting activity. And obviously this is, in our view, it's only the kind of the tip of the iceberg, because again, as you cross the 0.5% threshold, a lot of investors decide to stay below that in order to not be on record. They choose to stay anonymous because they are quite, you have to disclose your fund name, what your position, and it's on a daily basis that you do have to update these disclosures. So to this end, we see 230 companies that see more demand to borrow in the securities lending market than they have publicly available shorting data. If you can see here from this chart, we have Sainsbury's, which has seen a big demand to borrow in the last few weeks. And as you can see here, the gap between what is publicly disclosed as short position and what we're seeing in our data set has grown over the last few weeks, again, as more investors pile in, but many of them decide to stay below the 0.5% threshold. So definitely interesting kind of take on that. We encourage you to go to the commentary section of our website to read the full report. And if you have any more questions, get in touch with the salespeople at Market, which will be more than happy to talk you over the ESMA disclosure data set. Thank you very much, and have a nice week.